Are you concerned that someone may be accessing your Roblox account without your permission? It is critical to guarantee the security of your account. In this video, we'll walk you through the procedures of determining whether someone else is using your Roblox account and how to quickly log them out to protect your data and assets. First of all, log in your account on one of your device. Then click on gear icon at the top. Next, click on Settings. On the left pane, click on Security tab. Scroll down and at the bottom you will find all the connected devices. This will show all devices, either mobile or laptop or tablet. If you find some devices suspicious, then click on arrow to see its details. If you find this suspicious, then click on Log Out of Session button as shown here. I want to log out all connected devices, so I will click on Log Out of All Other Sessions button as shown here. Next, click on Log Out button. Now all devices except this will automatically logged out. When they try to connect, Roblox will prompt and ask to enter password and username. This much for today. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for similar videos. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.